Massachusetts lawmakers are working on a new training program for hotel workers. 22 News State House reporter Jody Reed is live in Boston to explain how their proposal will also help law enforcement.
Sierra, a bill in the Public Safety Committee right now would provide training for hospitality workers to identify and help victims of human trafficking. State lawmakers are considering a bill that would require lodging establishments like hotels, motels, or bed and breakfasts to train their staff to recognize the signs of human trafficking. One of the first lines of defense against traffickers is the maids who clean the rooms that the victims are being housed in.
When you empty the trash and someone has been in the room less than 24 hours and there's probably, 6 to 8 used condoms in the trash, that is a sign that people are being trafficked in that hotel room.
About 85% of the children being trafficked are involved in the foster care system. Many of the traffickers will lure them in on social media by offering them money or more opportunities. Experts on this topic say it's happening more often and in areas of the country that people wouldn't expect.
That it's not necessarily the big cities where this is occurring, it's the suburbs, it's places where people don't think they would be suspected of it.
The bill would also require Massachusetts hotels to post a picture of the National Human Trafficking Hotline. So far, 5 states, including Connecticut and New York, have passed similar bills, and many people are hoping to see Massachusetts become number 6. In Boston, Jody Reed, 22 News.